Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Capital One credit card monitoring and alerts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up Capital One credit card monitoring and alerts, begin by logging into your Capital One account. Navigate to the account settings or profile section. Look for the option labeled Credit Monitoring or Alerts. Click on this option to access the monitoring settings. You may be prompted to verify your identity for security purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once verified, you will see various options for alerts and monitoring. Choose the types of alerts you would like to receive, such as transaction alerts or balance updates. Set the frequency for how often you want to receive these alerts. You may have options for immediate alerts, daily summaries, or weekly reports. Ensure your notification preferences are set according to your preferences. Select whether you want to receive alerts via email, text message, or push notifications through the app. If you wish to receive alerts via text message, enter your mobile number. Make sure to confirm your mobile number to ensure that alerts are delivered to your phone. Review your selected options to ensure they are configured correctly. Once satisfied, save your settings to activate the monitoring and alerts. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your settings have been updated successfully. Now you are set up to monitor your Capital One credit card activity and receive alerts as specified. Regularly check your account settings to adjust alerts as needed in the future. This will help you stay informed about your credit card usage and activity. Responsible monitoring can contribute to your overall financial health and security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.